and welcome to Storytime, friends. I'm Georgia.
And I'm Amber.
And today we're going to read The Rainbow Fish by Pfister.
This is a book about kindness, friendship, and
sharing. So, let's get started. It looks like this fish is swimming. The rainbow fish is swimming by. The Rainbow Fish by Pfister.
A long way out in the deep blue sea, there lived a fish. Not just any ordinary fish, but the most beautiful fish in the entire ocean. His scales were very shady of blue and green and purple, with sparkling silver scales among them.
So this is the rainbow fish with all the sparkling stripes, all the colors of blue.
The other fish were amazed at his beauty. They called him Rainbow Fish. "Come on, Rainbow Fish," they would call. "Come and play with us." But Rainbow Fish would just glide past proud and listen, silent, letting his scales shimmer.
That's not nice.
He's ignoring them.
Yes.
One day, a little blue fish followed after him. "Rainbow Fish," he called, "wait for me. Please give me one of your shining scales. They're so wonderful, and you have so many." He does have a lot.
Yes.
And he has none. So he could share.
You want me to give you one of my scales? Who do you think you are? Cried the rainbow fish. Get away from me. Shocked, the little blue fish swam away. He was so upset, he told all his friends what had happened. From then on, no one would have anything to do with the rainbow fish. They turned away when he swam by.
What he did was not nice.
No. What good were the dazzling, shimmering scales with no one to admire them? Now, he was the loneliest fish in the entire ocean. One day, he poured out his troubles to the starfish. "I really am beautiful. Why doesn't anybody like me?" "I can't answer that for you," said the starfish. "But if you go beyond to the coral reef, to a deep cave, you will find the wise octopus. Maybe she can help you."
And he's talking to the starfish.
I didn't know starfishes had nuts.
The rainbow fish found the cave. It was very dark inside, and he couldn't see anything. Then suddenly 2 eyes caught him in their glare, and the octopus emerged from the darkness. It is pretty dark.
Yes.
"I have been waiting for you," said the octopus with a deep voice. "The waves had told me your story. This is my advice. Give a glittering scale to each of the other fish. You will no longer be the most beautiful fish in the sea, but you will discover how to be happy." And on the back, you can see a bunch more scales.
Yes.
And the octopus.
"I can't," the rainbow fish started to say, but the octopus had already disappeared into a dark cloud of ink. "Give away my scales, my beautiful shining scales? Never. How could I ever be happy without them?" there are lots of ways to be happy. Suddenly, he felt the light touch of a fin. The little blue fish was back. Rainbow fish, please, don't be angry. I just want one little scale. The rainbow fish wavered. Only one very, very small, shimmery scale, he thought. Well, maybe I wouldn't miss just one.
That's so many. He doesn't give them away, but he says just maybe one. Because there's so many.
Carefully, the rainbow fish pulled out the smallest scale and gave it to the little fish. Thank you very much, the little blue fish bubbled playfully as he tucked the shiny scale in among his blue ones. A rather peculiar feeling came over the rainbow fish. For a long time, he watched the little blue fish swim back and forth with his new scale glittering in the water.
He feels happy.
Yeah. The little blue fish whizzed through the ocean with his scale flashing. So it didn't take long before the rainbow fish was surrounded by the other fish. Everyone wanted a glittering scale. The rainbow fish shared his scales left and right, and the more he gave away, the more delighted he became. When the water around him filled with glimmering scales, he at last felt at home among the other fish.
And he doesn't have one. I think he has one.
And this guy has one.
He doesn't have one.
And this guy has one.
This guy has one. He doesn't. And I think that's the fish that he gave it to.
I don't know. Finally, the rainbow fish had only one shining scale left. His most prized possessions had been given away, yet he was very happy. Come on, rainbow fish, they called. Come and play with us. Here I come, said the rainbow fish. And, happy as a splash, he swam off to join his new friends.
And all of them have one now. That little fish has one. That one has one. That one has one. That one.
You can even see
That
one
one.
on this tiny
That
fish.
one. Yeah. All of them.
And that's the end of the book. So I hope you liked it.
See you next time at Storytime
Storytime
Friends.
Bye.